You want your sweater? There you go, that one's bright. We should charge this one up. Hey, you want your sweater on? Oh, that's bright. Oh. Yeah, that's bright. Want your sweater? Right, sweater? It's actually not that bad out. Maybe I'm not warm because it's. Oh, hold on. Here we go. Ready? Go. Oh. Go. Alright, come on. Come on. Get up. Good boy. We're gonna start a fire. Guys. Alright guys, well, this lumber that I bought, I've always bragged about Palatka being a great wood. This is a wet wood, so it should be good now. Alright. Hi, Dukkie. What are you doing? Oh, 55. It's outdoors and 56 in here. And I definitely need to figure out like more lighting after you guys to see me change, but get one of those media things again and put a microphone on me so you guys can hear me a little bit better. Because I have a feeling things are going to start getting crazy. I'm actually going to do a camper cook. A couple of sausage. I'll put some sausage on there. A little bit, and then we got ourselves a nice little dessert tonight, and then some yogurt with some fruit, and I got one for tomorrow night or tomorrow morning. I'm not much, well, I love breakfast, but I don't eat right away. But anyways, anybody doesn't know me, I'm TrevDev, and this is Dukkie, and we're traveling around the country to show you guys exactly what it's like to camp, to travel in a microvan all over the United States. And right now we're here in Palatka, Florida, which is North Ocala Forest at Rodman. We're here for 2 nights, and this is site 12, and it's a pull through. And I hope I can inspire everybody to get out there and enjoy yourself. American Freedom Tour 2024. Let's get fired up. Alright guys, we're finally getting some food on the grill with a nice campfire. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna finish up this fire and we're gonna head into the van. It's getting chilly out here. I think it's probably almost 50 degrees. It's a nice night though. I don't know if you guys can see that though, but that's like stars. It's like a cat right there. Or a bobcat. Just a cat. It's a regular cat. No. That's just a regular cat, man. That's a domestic cat. That's a domestic cat. No, you're good. Dude, you're good, bud. Must be starting doing that here now, Dukkie. Rip on my... Fire going right there. You dreamer. What the heck are you trying to do to my bed? It is chilly out there though. I have to admit, it is chilly out there. Can I take this off? There we go. It's gonna get warm in here quick. It's already feeling warm in here. Oh. Getting warm in here, Dukkie. Working up here. And we're gonna let go on the back. And we're over on this side, obviously, as you can see. I'm sure I don't have to probably do it, but you never know. This is actually a state park. Dessert tonight. Parfait. Strawberry and blueberry parfait. I got one for tomorrow. Booyaka! Booyaka! Alright, I gotta take my contacts out. And it's been chilly. I mean, yeah, last week it was in the 80s. The week before it was just like what it is now. 51 degrees. Should talk. Think, Duke. Wanna go to bed? Alright, guys. Well, thanks again for watching this episode and this series. And I appreciate you guys watching. American Freedom Tour 2024. Fired up. Oh, man, it's going already?